In this video, we're going to show you how to install the push-to-start switch in your dryer. So to install your push-to-start switch, it's probably easiest just to make your electrical connections first. So we'll take our wiring harness, we'll push it onto our switch. Now in this particular model, you'll see that there is a square shape to where the knob goes through, and a corresponding square in the console. So all we need to do is to introduce that square from the switch into the console. And once we've done that, we just rotate the switch until the finger of the switch clicks into the console to hold it. So now the switch can't turn. We just take our knob and slide it onto the shaft. So then it's just a matter of the console being put back into place and the back being put back on. So now we're just going to install our console into place. Just going to tip it back and lock in these fingers into these notches. We'll do that on both sides, and you'll feel it lock in place. So now we just need to put the back on. So with the back in place, we're just going to put our screws in. On this machine, these are 1/4 inch headed screws. Just need a 1/4 inch nut driver or socket. Yours may be held with a different type of screw head. So whichever type of screw is on yours, you'll just want to use the appropriate screwdriver for it. And we're done.